Hello everyone, happy Orktober. Today's video has nothing to do with orcs, but we're going to keep using the Christmas music because I like it. If you were here to learn how to make a birthday present for your own dad, sorry, but you're out of luck. This video covers how to make a birthday present for my dad and my dad only. If he's not your dad, then sorry. And if you're my sister and you're watching this, his birthday has already happened, you're gonna have to wait till next year for this tutorial to be of any use to you. The first step is to 3D print a model of Massachusetts, because that's where my dad is from. At some point around 1999, my family started associating my dad with Rafiki from The Lion King. I don't know if this is something he likes or resents. Either way, we are going to make him a Rafiki. The first step is to try and remember what Rafiki looks like, and then make a 3D model of him in ZBrush, which is a 3D modeling program I will eventually maybe make a tutorial on, probably maybe. My dad likes bicycles, so Rafiki has a bicycle, just like in the movie. Now it's time to bust out your fucking goblin green paint, the only paint free from inherent sin, and spray that bad boy all over the state of Massachusetts. Take that, Massachusetts. And then painted the entirety of my home with Vallejo dark gray. For the helmet, I've been using these Turbo Dork paints. I don't even know if they're available outside of Los Angeles County. The guy who makes them is from around here, but if they are, you should buy some because they're extremely cool. For the bike, I put a base coat of Alcad Black, which is basically tar. Then I used some GW Cadian flesh tone on the skin. Then I painted the rest of his face and used this marker to draw lines on him. And I just kept fucking around repainting his face until he didn't look quite as clinically insane. And then once an acceptable level of sanity is restored to your Rafiki, you can glue him to a scale-accurate model of Massachusetts. This model is a nice reminder that you can use the skills from Warhammer on non-Warhammer related things, which for me at least is honestly pretty easy to forget. It doesn't have to be all meta-chasing and forge-rolled impulse buys. Sometimes it can just be a nice present for your dad. That's how to make a birthday present for my dad. We did it. If you pledge me $4,000 on Patreon once per month for a minimum duration of at least 12 months, I will make a birthday present video for you, or I will make a tutorial that shows you how to make a birthday present for your own dad, or for yourself if you're a selfish piece of shit like me. Thanks for watching this. If you like this, please like and or comment or subscribe. Thanks for coming to my tutorial today. Goodbye.